right, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm privileged to welcome you to our event. Today will day for us in Taiwan when we launch our cyber data center in the country. So welcome to today.
3、2、1，请启动！而同理，台湾特正式启动，携手合作伙伴再跑分喽！好，
谢谢大家来参加今天的晚宴。Cheers！Cheers！
Cheers，谢谢。